Alright, buckle up folks. I got 20 kitchen hacks coming at you. So fast you might want to grab a pen or just pause every 5 seconds. Let's go. Hack 1. Garlic peeling stressing you out? Throw the cloves in a jar, shake it like a Polaroid picture, and boom! Naked garlic, you're welcome. Hack 2. Stale bread. Don't toss it, wrap it in a damp paper towel and microwave for 10 seconds. It's like bread Botox, good as new. Hack 3. Herbs always dying in your fridge. Treat them like flowers, stick them in a glass of water. Yes, even herbs deserve spa treatment. Hack 4. Tired of your cutting board sliding around like it's on an ice rink? Slap a damn towel underneath. Problem solved. You're now a pro chef. Hack 5. Leftover wine. Wait, who even has leftover wine? Anyway, freeze it in ice cube trays for fancy cooking stock or use it in your next sangria. No judgment. Hack 6. Brown sugar turned into a brick. Toss in a marshmallow or a slice of bread. It's like sugar rehab, soft and sweet again. Hack 7. Bananas not ripe enough for your banana bread. Bake them at 150 degrees Celsius or 300 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. Instant grandma level baking skills unlocked. Hack 8. Ever tried scooping seeds out of a squash with a spoon? Painful, right? Use an ice cream scoop instead. Squash won't know what hit it. Hack 9. Forgot to soften your butter. Grate it like cheese, melts faster, and you feel like a kitchen genius. You're welcome! Hack 10. Boiling pot about to overflow. Stick a wooden spoon across the top. It's magic or science. Either way, less mess. Hack 11. Shredding chicken with a fork is the worst. Use a hand mixer instead. In 10 seconds, you're done kitchen sorcery right there. Hack 12. Sad limp lettuce. Don't cry. Soak it in ice water for 10 minutes. It's like CPR for salad. Hack 13. Leftover sauce or stock. Freeze it in a muffin tin. It's like meal prep, but way cooler and cuter. Hack 14. Can't peel boiled eggs without losing half the egg? Add baking soda to the water. Shell slides right off. No egg carnage. Hack 15. Struggling with avocado pits? Don't risk a knife injury. Use a spoon to scoop it out like a boss. Hack 16. Hate cleaning your blender? Add warm water and dish soap, then blend it. Boom clean. Now go brag to your friends. Hack 17. Want your cake to stay moist? Stick a slice of bread on top before covering. Yes, bread is the cake hero we never knew we needed. Hack 18. Great. Frozen butter into pastry dough. It's like the butter's auditioning for the role of flakiest pie crust ever. Hack 19. Hold strawberries with a straw, push it through the bottom, and the green bit just pops out. You'll feel oddly powerful. Hack 20. Need a piping bag? Grab a Ziploc, snip the corner, and voila, instant pro. Baker vibes Mary Berry. Who? And that's it. 20 hacks to make your life in the kitchen a million times easier. Which one are you trying first? Or are you just here for the jokes? Let me know.